Do you feel accented English is holding you back at work? Or would improving your American English accent make you feel more confident in your day-to-day life? If your answer is yes, I have the perfect solution for you. I want you to feel absolutely confident speaking English. I've developed a life-changing program so that nothing can get in the way of you expressing your thoughts and feelings in English. It's a new accent training program in Rachel's English Academy, and for this week only, I'm offering 50% off to get you started. When you purchase the Academy, you get access to everything, the new program and also all 23 courses. But at the end of this week and at the end of this sale, I'm closing the doors. No new signups of any kind to Rachel's English Academy. This is the first time I've done this since I opened my online school over 8 years ago, but I want to close the doors to focus on you, to focus on this cohort of students, to make sure your goals are being met, to make sure you know exactly how to use the method to transform your English speaking voice into the natural, easy sound you've always wanted. If you sign up today, during the first day of our sale, you'll also get the VIP treatment with a special bonus: 4 extra office hours with me personally in your first 2 weeks as a new student. So sign up now to get in before you lose your chance. Have you tried accent training programs before? Why haven't they worked? No one else has the method right. No one gets it. But my background as an opera singer has shown me the way to get you the most natural, effortless English you can imagine. I know you can do it because I've seen thousands of students do it. Like this student, Kostas, from Greece.
And to the rest of you guys, like myself, whatever level you are at, keep working hard because it's working. And I'm so happy.
Keep working hard because it's working. I love that.
I've taken pronunciation courses in São Paulo, in a lot of different schools, in London, even at Harvard Summer School. And I guarantee no other pronunciation course has brought me as many good results and as much enthusiasm to practice, because it's interesting.
I know how to keep you motivated with constant improvement, and the new program breaks everything down for you step by step, no effort required. You tune in with your time, you follow the guide, you emerge with the changed voice you've been looking for. Your own American voice, strong, confident, natural, easy to understand. Right away from day one, you're going to be doing the work. The play it, say it method. Every day you're doing the work that will change everything. We sprinkle in theory, recording exercises, valuable teaching, live classes, but the core is the play it, say it method, and we won't let you waste one day not doing the work. Our program is hyper-focused on ease of use. I don't want you to lose even 1 minute of training wondering what to work on next. This is the one place, the last place you'll go to get the information and the training you need to develop your own American voice. Anyone can do this. What's inside the Academy? Let me show you. An Academy member has access to a huge amount of content. There are courses covering every topic in American English pronunciation, from placement to all the sounds, rhythm, linking, stress, and more. Even better, I've just created a brand new learning path through the Academy content that will guide you step by step through each new concept in the best order for maximized improvement. Or if there's a specific concept that you know is your personal challenge, we have libraries of content you can work with to make progress on your own. By watching a video, you'll get information about a concept, but this Academy is about so much more than information. It's about learning with your body so you can create new habits and actually make real progress. So even though the Academy has over 600 videos, the real change happens with our thousands of audio files. And I give you the perfect method to use for this work. The play it, say it method. The play it, say it method is all about repetition, and as you play the files over and over, your ear starts to tell your body what changes to make without your brain doing anything or getting in the way. It's called body learning, and it's scientifically proven to make a difference. Each course has audio soundboards for you to practice with, so you can experience this body learning on every sound and concept. There is an enormous amount of content here, but the content is only half of what you get with an Academy subscription. You also get access to our teachers. Every student gets to join our private community where you can post a video and get teacher feedback.
Hi Ruslan, good work here on your Module 6 challenge. Let's go through your video and I'll give you some feedback as we go.
Above, cousin, done.
So you're close.
Hi Mohammed, welcome to the Academy. Thank you for taking time to introduce yourself. My big piece of advice to everyone who's new in the Academy is to take advantage of the slow motion on the soundboards. So when you go to practice, start with play it, say it in slow motion.
Hey Victor, it's Katie here with some feedback for you. Awesome job working on this conversation. And overall, I'm really hearing that linking. It sounds smooth and connected.
So maybe you're working on a sound or working on rhythm. A teacher is going to listen to you and give you personalized adjustments that will help you sound more natural and take the effort out of speaking. We also have drop-in hours with our teachers every week. You can join the online classroom, type your question in the chat, and a teacher will address your question in real time. You can even turn on your camera and work with the teacher to make sure you're fully understanding the teaching.
I move into the so my tongue will lift for that
Here.
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 That's it. Here. Mhm.
Right. So what's the difference with the word hear, like to hear something?
It's the same sound. It's
Oh.
just spelled differently. H-E-A-R versus H-E-R-E. Like I hear a sound here in my room.
You can ask questions in the community, but we also provide email support. Basically, if you have a question, we want to help answer it. So click the join button today. We have all the lessons that you need to understand every concept of American English pronunciation and to train a natural sound into your body. With the support of the community and the teachers, along with this material, you are unstoppable. We do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you get in there and you do the work and you decide this isn't working for you, no problem. Just send us an email, let us know you need a refund, and we'll do that, no questions asked. Also, if you purchase a subscription, you can cancel at any time. We've already helped over 35,000 students reach their goals. They're just like you. They had a goal. They knew that working towards it with the right materials and method would get them there. I know it's hard to actually get to know how a program works until you're in there, actually doing it. So I'm happy to offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. You get in there, you see how the Academy is laid out, you do the work with the support of our teachers. If you feel the method isn't right for you, just let us know. Just request a refund within the first 30 days and you're set. I can't tell you how much I love working with students and how much I love discovering a new sound in someone. I love watching change happen. It's an honor to teach you. Head to rachelsenglishacademy.com to sign up today to get 50% off before we close the doors to new signups. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English.